Let's see, what did we buy? Okay, I have all these. I've been trying to decide for the longest. I finally decided I will in fact do the Halloween because I love Halloween. Why would I neglect it? So let's keep this thing going, okay? We have, it looks like the very same. So if this is the very same, that's gonna be a big fat bummer. Do I remember how I bought these and went? No. I think I really thought I bought them all from the site. But who cares? Carry on. That'll just give me more things to do with it. Opening these has become a real drag. Oh my gosh, not the double. You guys are out of control. Okay. Should I see if they're both the same so I know? Good morning, Shackinator. Good morning, Shack. Oh, lasers. Okay, we got one ripper. Just give it a rip. Fail! How could you fail at your actual amenity? It's like, yeah, we have canoes on site that you can rent for free. They all have holes. Like, what the heck? Okay. Oh, it is a different one. Exciting! Okay, now which one should we open? We're gonna go with the one that we were supposed to open. First things first, our swirly table. Don't worry, it'll be coming in soon, okay? I'll bring you up close in just a minute. Skull glass, Tony. There you go, boo, 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 boo. Yes, okay. We got 2. We got 3. Okay. I'm gonna open them, then I'm gonna bring you in close to see them up close. Oh yeah, well at least these I think glow in the dark. Well, the last one did. I don't know if this one does. But I don't really play with all that parts. Let's see what our plate, what is this? That's cool. Oh my gosh. What? Okay, I said green apple. Give me some type of green apple then. Oh my gosh, the bag is so cute. Have a spooky day. Looks like ice. Did you hear that, Bob? Let's see if we can do it again. What? Okay. Poppity doo dah boo. But anyways, I'll show you what's in there. Okay, we got this, that. We open them all. Okay, Billy Bob. Oh. This one says trick or treat on it with a cute little skull. Oh. Probably can't even see it because my camera sucks big bugs. Oh, it says gummy bugs. Whatever. I think they're gonna be freaking adorable. Oh man. You gotta come close. Okay, let's see what we got. First, whoopsie, lighty. Give me a light, please. Oh my gosh, you guys, I missed the straw. And that is something I would never, ever, ever do again. What? Why are you that adorable? Give me a big fat blade. Oh my gosh, you guys. That is the cutest straw. What in the hot diggity dang is going on around Strawville? Because wow. Okay. Oh my gosh, and the bugs, have you seen the bugs up close? You are bugging. Get the bug out of town. Are these stuck together? Oh, they are. I thought that was a unique bug. Okay, that's cool, let's go. Give me an eye doctor. Okay, I want to see this so bad. Are you so ready for this? Come here, Shackinator. I call him Shackinator because he's an impersonator, like, but my tortoise's name is Shack. You don't know. Look. Anyways. Oh, what? We got one straw? Okay. Okay. Oh my gosh, another box. What do you guys do to with your boxes? I'll show you what I do with mine. You wanna see? These are the cutest little skull glass cups or whatever. You guys, but these are so cute. Okay. Oh my gosh. I love how they put the little clippity-doo-dah. Okay, we got our cute ice. Oh yeah, I forgot you gotta open it. Okay. And our cutie little swirl table. Let me see you swirl. Okay. And our toxic green apple resin. That means they're gonna be green. How cute. Focus, focus. Can you focus? You are just a little bug. You are bugging. Okay, let's make it stop. I do only have one straw. What the hot dang?
I mean, get real. What the whole hot? Why? This can't be real. I'm not even attempting to open them. I don't even know. But that's a silly willy right there.
Oh my gosh. You guys. That is so adorable. Oh my gosh. You are kidding me right meow. Wow. This green is so great. Okay. Oh my cuteness.
We're gonna do our best. I'm just gonna layer it. Why? I'm not exactly sure. Does this glow in the dark? Are they on the level? Oh, yes, man.
Oh lordy. Oh my gosh, that's brains right there. How cute. What a great idea. I am in love. I am in love. This is my guy. He doesn't want a straw ever. And this is me. I always want a straw and extra ice. Hey guys, everybody done here? Cool. Bam. Oh, you love it? Oh, you brought your emotional support cat, I see. That's nice. Yosh. So cute. What do you think? 1 to 10. How did we do? Do we absolutely love these? Did you open these? What did you do with these? I'm really sad. I double checked. They do not in fact, they do not glow in the dark. So that's a big fat bummer. But you know what? That is okay with me. What did you do with them? I'm gonna hope that I get them again so that I can definitely add my own glow in the dark powder. I should have just done it. So yeah, these are really cute though. Aren't they so cute? Show me yours. I forgot. Okay, enjoy your specialty drinks. Enjoy your date night. Yeah. Enjoy your brain cool whip.